So what I have here is a homemade lung model. Our fancy lung model was broken, or the diaphragm was broken, so I had to improvise. And so if you want to make this at home, all you need is a balloon, old water bottle, and then thread the balloon through the opening and wrap the balloon around where the cap goes. Then this is just a plastic bag, and I cut off the bottle, and then I shoved some bag in here and a rubber band to seal. So this is representing your lungs. So your lungs have an opening all the way from your mouth or nasal cavity, trachea, all the way down to the alveoli. And then your lungs are expanding and being squished by you manipulating your rib cage with the muscles. And so one muscle is the diaphragm, and then you have also muscles between the ribs that are helping out, either making the rib cage larger or compressing it. So in this case, we normally don't have air in here, so your lungs are glued to the inside of your rib cage by pleural fluid. And then when we change the size of your rib cage or thoracic cavity, we're changing the pressure within here. And so ultimately that's going to either squeeze on your alveoli or squeeze on the balloon and making you exhale, or it's going to make the balloon or your alveoli get larger and you get a low pressure in there, and so you're going to get air flowing into them. And so I'm going to illustrate this here. You can take a look at the balloon, what's happening. So I'm pulling down, making low pressure here, lower than what's in the atmosphere, so air is going to flow in. And then I push up, and now I compress the air that's inside this bottle, and it can't escape here. So I'm putting pressure on the alveoli. And so in your body, that would be your lung tissue being squished, and then you get high pressure in there, and you didn't change the atmospheric pressure, and things flow from high to low pressure, and so in this case you would exhale. So I'll just do a few so you can see how this works, but this is what you're doing with your muscles in your thoracic cavity, and then helping you breathe in and out.